Held several times each academic year, the Ambleside Internship Program is a great way to gain first-hand experience of Charlotte Mason's educational principles, to grow in understanding of the Ambleside method, and to learn more about Ambleside schools. During the 3-day internship, you will gain a greater understanding of Charlotte Mason's approach and educational philosophy. Receive a comprehensive overview of an Ambleside education. Have the chance to participate in seminar-style small group discussions, and have an opportunity to observe teachers modeling the Ambleside method.
The Ambleside Internship Program helped me to see Charlotte Mason lived out in the classroom. And while we did study about the philosophy and method that she promoted in our time together as interns, to be able to see it in the classroom lived out was so helpful. And then as I returned to my classroom, there were many ideas that I gleaned from the teachers that I observed, and I started to put them into practice in my room and felt that I became a stronger teacher as a result of what I had seen at the internship.
The internship gave me a perspective of what we truly want to do in our Ambleside schools. I'm very glad that I had a chance to be in an internship immediately, just as soon as I got started teaching.
At an Ambleside internship, we explore topics such as the significance of a child's personhood, the effects of relational atmosphere on learning capacity, the power of habits to shape learning and our lives, the skill of cultivating new habits, and the potency of loving relationships and inspirational ideas.
It was a really positive experience. It was very encouraging, very inspirational. I had the opportunity to visit other classrooms and observe how the teachers there perform the method. I had the opportunity to sit down with fellow colleagues and read and narrate and just share this method and what it looks like and how it's done.
Be it homeschooling or serving as a classroom teacher, there is no better introduction to the ideas of Charlotte Mason's philosophy of education than an Ambleside internship.
Some of the things that we've read in the internship that stick with me have helped shape me even as a parent. And I'm a teacher, and I can do the teacher things, but also taking Charlotte Mason and the idea of a child as a person, and how does that relate to what I do in my home and in my school. I learned so much through the internship.
Internships are conducted from Wednesday through Friday and normally are limited to 14 participants. For more information, visit the training section of our website